People, just like, share, and subscribe, you know. You see me? Subscribe to my YouTube. And I say you don't know I'm media facts, you know. I would have to talk about some situation. Jano, Quada. People, just click the notification bell and click all there. For me, cause boy, we're not supposed to see what I go on in media. Me I tell you. You understand? Yeah man. Boy, Quada. Boy, everybody's supposed to watch a video there, you know. You understand? Because no sir, you know look good man. Me I tell you brother. I what really go on Quada. I wouldn't get you on a job shop, John shop I go on with. John no. So wait, what really I go on a dancer now? How much artists I go forward out pan tape? I do them thing. I what go on? No man. Easter not even reach yet. John no. I saw them money I go on that. People, no man. Then wait. But wait the people. We're not supposed to watch the video. How we Quada do? A snap, him man a snap, you know? Him man a snap. No man, this a regular thing for Quada man. No sir. This no look good at all, brother. Me I tell you, this no look good. Brother, him man a snap. You know them girl where you go a party go see? And you say them a snap all night? No man. Quada a snap 44-3. Yeah man, live on camera. Like the man did and the man a snap and the man a say, yo, I'm proud, I want to know. I mean this. I'm proud. Yeah man. Jano, I tell you to write it. Quada. Jano. But we're not supposed to see. Enough look man. Remember that artist there? What they call Superman? That one there? Remember saying he come out with one look video, but it look like he no work. He didn't want if he boss. But boy, Jano, Quada. You know what you gotta do with that one, you know? You see me, cause right now, gangster them angry. You see me? Cause they maybe I talk up in a man them face and... You see me? All I man them face staying up, dog. You see it? Yeah man, all I man them face staying up, dog. How I go on your dance out there? Eh? How I go on? Quada, nobody not see you. So you tell me, say, brother, at this you do all the while, brother? After 1 year from you, how much years? Eh? From you left round popcorn them, at this you do Quada? Jano, brother. Jano. No, dog. I tell you. Jano, brother. I tell you, say, me don't know about, you must have an identical twin. Brother, me don't know, because they say, some people are saying you, people are saying you. But, no, man. Brother, I tell you, say, man a selfie, you know. He man literally had selfie himself, you know, dog. Who really put out that video? No, because who really put it out? Because this no look safe at all. Who? Because, boy, if I this, Quada, if I you wanna this, yeah, come out. You say you try to get a bus. You know, go work, brother. You see me? Come here, you know, go work, dog. Because right now, this don't look good at all, brother. Right now, you can't even DJ upon the mic right now. I tell you, brother. I tell you. Me say, make sure, say, when you go to stay show them, you carry your specific mic. Come here, tell you, no DJ now do no pass in the mic right now. You see me? Yeah man, no DJ now do that, brother. I tell you. People, me say, Quada snap. Like man do Snapchat. Only thing left if you put on one eye filter. Yeah man. Man a snap. You see me? No, brother. I tell you to write it. Come like man there spa like man get a face massage. Or something. Is what I try to say? Yeah, man. I tell you, brother. What that the girl there? Brother, Quada. Well, I don't know what kind of girl that to write it. I don't know. But no, man, Quada, I can't believe so we not 2 years of music and this year do dog. I wonder if at this, I walk on at this kind of cause your music because we not really get no music I walk on. You know, brother. Come like man do over buff beer how long. Man over buff beer. How long? Eh? What's so long over buff beer, bro? You know, Quada, I tell you. Why? I tell you, brother, I just hope you know you this, you know. You see me? You tell me sure somebody else found out and claim this car. This no look good for you, brother. I tell you. This no look good. You see it? Brother, you dey buff be all long. And you not drop no tune. Jano, bro, see tune there. See man them up on video. Look like you dey on video sing tune. You see me? That one that tune and name equal rights. Cause brother, me tell you say how them man. No, Jano dog. Man them I walk on dance hall come like some drama movie or something right now to rotted. Cause I don't know how I go with them man dog. Jano, me tell you say yo, if you look out for Quada do this to rotted. I never know sir. Quada would be last artist. But I say go. Cause remember I camp you usually the run, you know. You see me? And then catch film brother on tape, so we don't really remember say film bigger brother, bigger artist, you know, so we see couple girl forward out and one bag of thing. So why not take it like I look good at brother. But me I tell you, yeah, snap brother, yeah, snap man. Me I tell you, yeah, snap dog. This not look good people. No man, this a man come like in specialized. Cause Jano, and I like somebody have video, man a snap. A regular snap him mado. No man. No brother. Just make sure say somebody forward out and own it cause this not look good. You see me? Cause me I tell you brother, when you guys stage show them, make sure say you carry your own mic. You see me? Cause yeah, there's an artist I'm gonna see this and man, I'm not gonna want your mic, brother. You see me? You have to carry your own microphone, dog. Me I tell you. Carry your own microphone. You see it? Cause me I tell you, bro. Cause this a man, brother. You can't believe Quada de them they eat. You see me? Man they eat and a snap, bro. Jano, dog. I tell you, say, Quada over both be a eat. Eh? Tell me now, people. For Quada do music, dog. I mean, by man found out saying they dead and hungry, you know, bro. Say I tell me, say, over both be a eat, brother. Eh? It's not right, brother. It's not right, my youth. Bro, you're staying up, bro. I tell you. You're staying up, brother. You see it? You're staying up, man. You're staying up, Quada. I tell you, Quada. You don't look safe at all. You look safe. People, I tell you. Right now, video surface out everywhere right now. You see me? Video surface all about. All about the video surface. You see me? All about. But Quada, Jano. You know what you going to do with this, you know, brother? But I go drop no song, you know. I tell you, you know. The only way you can drop a song and win you now. If you song name Buff Beer or Eating Beer. I must that. If song title I've got name Eating Beer, bro. Cause this I gone. You done start it already, brother. I don't know where you will come out come say, bro. Jano dog. Can't believe. Jano. Quad over Buff Beer. Bro, Jano. This it gone to, bro. Brother, you're a good artist in a dog. You're good. You shouldn't get caught up in them situation, you know, brother. You see it? And you did a snap. Like you said, snap and proud, bro. That messy, brother. Snap and proud, bro. You see me? Cause we are movie come like you're pro on the thing, cause we are snap. You see, no man, the brother, no man. The brother, a regular scene pan the Buff Beer. You see it, a regular scene this, man. You see me? I don't normal scene this. You see it? But as I say, Quada, you forget the mic, get your own microphone. You see me? Cause you don't think nobody are going to use a microphone after you right now, you know. You see me? Cause all of that, the mic, they are going to stain up with the Buff Beer. You see me? Yeah, man. And you know look good, brother. You see me? You know look good at all, dog. Cause you bury for your face, dog. You see me? You bury your face in one mud, bro, over Buff Beer, man, I tell you. Yeah, man. You bury your face, dog. And you snap too. I tell you, brother, man, a Snapchat over Buff Beer in a mud. Judge Quada. Bro, I don't know what you're going to do after this, you know, cause you have got to try get for your career at this point, bro. At this you forward out for you. Brother, all me I say, just make sure say I know you. And make sure say I want twin brother with identical, you know. Cause this no safe, brother. I tell you, and this you gone viral for, dog. Eh? This you gone viral for? Judge. Bro, cause you are snap it, you know, that means say if you reach nobody hands, bro. This no look right, dog. I tell you, this no look right at all. As me say, make sure say your twin brother, cause if this are you, brother, right. Judge. No man, Quada. Bro, I tell you, you know. And the worst thing, you know, yo, enough of them dancehall artists how you see now. When you see them a burn out things, you know. The same thing with them a burn out, them a pro on it, you know. You see it? Enough of them thing, yeah. Cause remember, you know, when you think about it, some of the time, when you hear some artists are sing about it, Zane, you might think, say, yo, them man are straight and real and this man are do them something. Sometimes man them sing it and burn it out to take the pressure off of themselves. Cause they're so guilty. They want to make sure say, yo, nobody not pre them that way there. You see me? Yeah, man, enough of them, if you catch them behind closed door, man, me I tell you. Enough of them dancehall artists, man, me I tell you, man, if they have Jamaica eye put in their house, you see, at that, me, you see what enough of them I do. At that, me I tell you. Yeah, man, if you ever see what enough of them I do. You see it? But people, make sure you like and subscribe and share every video, you know. Cause that one you're not normal to write it. I tell you this not normal. Yeah, man. But right now, if you ever move the curtain or some of them dancehall artists a window, me I tell you, you be surprised. Is what me I try to say, you be surprised, man. Me I tell you, you see man over there so with fudge, one over buff beer. You see me? One over come down, one bag of thing, brother. Me I tell you. Yeah, man, enough of them, man. You see it? Enough of them when you see go on so burn out and then burn out this to the end. If you ever see them, that me I tell you. All the one them we are preaching badness and girl can run them head and ray. You see me? Enough girl sit down in them face and them look at thing there so. One of them thing there. You see me? But boy, I know Quada this not look safe at all. I tell you. Make sure say every time you go up on the road or go in the streets, you carry your own mic, brother. I tell you for now, carry your own mic. And make sure say mic portable to car. The buff be going steam up that the mic there. I mean, no man now that the microphone there, brother. You see me? Yeah, man, nobody know that the microphone there. You see it? I tell you to bomba Quadas a Snapchat. Eating the buff beer. Snapchat. Snappy man a snapping on the yard. Chat on that man a real pro. Jano, man bury him face in a mud over buff beer to bomba. Jano. I tell you, brother. Jaja. Them look a thing there. No man, Quada. You know, brother. You tell you that, bro. You know you're forward in this. You know you're forward and saying, okay, this don't look good at all, brother, man. Tell you. This don't look good at all. Is it? Yeah, man. This don't look good at all, brother. So, people, you don't know, you know. And why Quada in a deep mud above be a situation right now, is it? I know where my try to me. I wonder if he must Snapchat with the buff in his face. If you get a forward or what, I don't know about, brother. This is not gonna work at all. I tell you. You see me? Easter not even forward yet. You see me? And yeah, eat bun and cheese, brother. People, wanna big up on yourself, you know. I don't know media facts. You see me? Like, share, and subscribe. You see me? Yeah, man. I don't know. Big up on yourself. Respect. That is it.